I forgot the extension cord. Oh my God. How am I gonna record this video?
Hello?
I'm here to answer your call. I know that I shouldn't have had you waiting at all. I've been so busy, but I've been thinking about what I wanna do with you. I know them other guys, they've been talking about the way I do what I do. They heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true.
Hi sweetie pies, thanks for coming back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you are a current subscriber, thank you so very much for your continuous support. I appreciate you, and I tell you all the time. Oh my gosh, I've been missing in action, MIA, and I'm so freaking happy to be back on YouTube. Oh my gosh, I have been neglecting you guys. Please, please, please forgive me. I am now at 3 away from 13,000 subscribers. Thank you so very much for 13,000 subscribers. I appreciate you. Okay, so let's get into how I made a ring light. Do it yourself. And if you guys follow my channel, or if you just want to go and look through all of my videos, you would see that I purchased a Diva ring light last year, I believe, and I love it. I still have it. However, I'm not around it. We have parted, and I miss my Diva ring. So you guys know that I always do DIYs, right? You guys are aware of that, right? Let me show you guys the light. This is the back of it. The light is escaping. Ask me why I have the ring light under me. One, because I am a diva and I wanted to be super extra. Second is that I didn't get an extension cord. So that totally X out the first reason, which is me being extra. This is because I have to do it like this, and the plug is right behind me. And everybody knows that the ring light is, the actual LED light is, it has a short cord. So you would have to go get an extension cord. So make sure that you do that. I did this ring light for under $20. So all of my divas, you can be cheap and or just do things in an affordable way and still achieve the goal. So if you guys are interested in this video, let's get into it. Hey sweetie pies, I just wanted to pop in and walk you guys through the process of making your own diva ring. So here you see I am tracing out the ring, and now I'm going to cut the inner part and the outer part of the circle to create the ring. It was fairly easy and I am done. Now I decided to wrap my ring with aluminum foil. This is optional for you. However, I wanted everything to reflect the light of the diva ring, so I maximized that and just went to town with aluminum foil. So yeah, I'm going to continue to wrap that and press that down firmly, and it's all done. Now I'm going to go on ahead and do the same exact process with the wire wreath. I personally don't like the way that it looks with the lights and the zip tie, so I like it to be a smooth surface, and as I said before, I want the light to reflect off of everything. So that's the both of them. And here is the LED rope light that I purchased from Walmart. That was the hardware. We don't need that. I'm just quickly showing you guys how to put the wires together once you're done. So now that I've shown you that, I'm going to start the process of putting the rope light around the ring with the zip ties. It's fairly easy. However, some of them are a little bit rough, so you have to force it a little bit or put a little bit of strength into it, and the process will go a little bit easier. So I am finishing up with this first layer, and I believe it is a total of 3 or 4, if I'm not mistaken. The actual ring was 20 inches and the rope length was 16 feet. So that's pretty good for $12.88 from Walmart. So here I am with the second layer, and I like to put all of my zip ties going down and out, kind of like in a star shape, because just because you are making something and you're doing it yourself, it doesn't really have to look so bad. It can look reminiscent of the actual thing that you are recreating. So here is the fourth layer slash third layer, and I'm gonna finish up with the zip ties. I'm gonna probably put around 3 more, because I am now securing the foam board to the back of the wire wreath now. And you don't need that many, you just need it to be secure. So this should be the last one. No, this one's it. Nope, that's not it either. Okay. Oh, no, I'm not done. I like zip ties. Okay, now we're done. So this is the part that you have to really be careful with. By cutting them, it creates a sharp edge. So this is where the nail file comes in at, and I just went around the ring and filed it all down so that it's smooth and won't snag on anything and is neat. So here's an extra part that is also optional. I wanted it to look as close as a ring light as possible, so I took that from braiding hair bags, and you guys that do hair, you know what I'm talking about. So I just decided to wrap this with aluminum foil, and here's the end result after taping it and measuring it out. And now we're gonna go in with the wax paper, and I just trimmed it alongside the ring, and now I'm going to start the process of taping it down so that the light can be diffused and just seamless. I don't really like the like dot lights, and this definitely aids in it being smooth lighting. So yeah, I'm just going to proceed to do that, and I completed that off camera. I'm showing you guys how I plug it in. So that is it for this video. I hope that you got something from it and make your own. Comment down below, and I'll see you guys later. Be sure to subscribe and follow me on all of my social media accounts. And as always, if no one told you that they love you today, I do. I love you so very much, sweetie pies. Bye.
Sometimes we fight. Oh, baby. Sometimes we argue. You know, we don't get along sometimes, but I ain't giving up on you. I can never give up on you.